Zalaaby. Fritters. A dessert from Israel. Serves 4. You will need 14 ingredients. Step 1. Syrup. Measure sugar into saucepan, add water and bring to a hard boil. Add lemon juice and cook for 2 minutes. Add butter and orange blossom water and scented geranium leaf and remove from heat. Step 2. Put aside to cool. In a small bowl, stir together yeast, sugar and water and leave for 10 minutes for yeast to proof and foam. Measure flour into a very large bowl. You need the large bowl for the dough to rise, and mix in cornstarch and salt. Pour enough vegetable oil to the flour mixture and stir until well combined. High heat. Cover and leave in a warm draft-free place for 30 minutes to test the temperature of the oil. Dip a teaspoon in the water. Scoop out a spoonful of dough and carefully drop the dough into the hot temperature. If the fritter browns too quickly, that means the oil is too hot. Lower the heat. Keep dropping spoonfuls of the dough into the oil until you have a full layer of fritters cooking. Country Reports. Turn them over once or twice until golden. Travel. Scoop out the